So again, one of the strategies that we use with our clients, and this is one of the most common strategies that we use to protect our clients' wealth and estate for the next generation, is a revocable living trust. All right. So a revocable living trust is something that we do while you're alive. That's why it's called a living trust, because we're doing it right now. And since we're doing it right now, it's also a disability plan. The trust is going to say, if I'm alive but I'm disabled, I need someone to take care of me and pay my bills. Those are instructions will be in the trust. So it's also a disability plan. It's not just a death plan. It provides with your loved ones with loving instructions. Whatever your instructions are, who's going to get what, under what conditions, your instructions are the law. That's going to be in the trust. Whatever you want to leave to your family members, again, those are your instructions. That is your control. So another important feature, it's private and confidential. As long as the trust is funded with assets like, bank accounts, life insurance. If you have investments there with Mauricio and his firm, we would put those certain investments into the trust. So as long as the trust is funded with assets, we don't have to go to probate court. And if we avoid probate court, it's confidential because it's not open record, and it goes very quickly because we don't have to ask a judge for permission for the distributions. Everything is contained within the trust. And the trust, again, it has your instructions. It reflects your hopes, your fears, your dreams, and your values that you want to pass on to the next generation. So, for an example of values, is I just did a trust recently for a young couple, and they have a 2-year-old daughter, and they're part of their trust instructions had the following instructions. Priority distributions are for college expenses or for purchasing their first home. So those are some values that they want to pass on to the next generation, is education and home ownership. I had another client recently that we did a trust for. Their instructions also included priorities for higher education, distributions from the trust. Also, if they want to start a business, because this client is a business owner, they have an entrepreneurial spirit, so they want to pass on those values to the next generation of entrepreneurship. All right. So these are some of the examples of instructions you can put into your trust.